case 1. For example, we have given example 1, so this is example 2. See what we do in example 2. Suppose
beaker of 50 ml, 50 ml beaker, so large beaker, in which some transfer of one liquid to another liquid between them.
this is a rough surface.
One liquid has to be added to 10 ml of aqua liquid. Initially, both the liquids are taken
Okay.
10 ml each, and they
Mu value not provided. Okay, na? Over it, there is a block
for use in electrochemical experiments, for thermochemical experiments
of mass
preparation of salt
4 kg
by utilizing
and there is a pulley.
Microfiltration is done by using this. This is called boiling. This spot is called boiling. This is rubber.
So nearly we are going to see what
Here, the liquid containing solid material.
This is 2 kg. Alright. The question is saying the system. Yes, professor.
सर डिस्टरबेंस आ रहा है सर.
The system is ये नई बात कौन सी है? कोई नया चीज है तो बताओ.
सर आज ज्यादा आ रहा है.
System is released from rest. थोड़ा adjust कर लेना.
ओके सर.
The system is released from rest. Right? At an instant, the velocity of 2 kg block is found to be 6 meter per second and after the release it has come down by 4 meter. Right? Find the value of mu. That is the question. We have to figure out the value of mu in such circumstance. Correct? Okay. First you note down the question.
The bulb will cut the air inside the coil and allow the transmitter.
So now when I'm going for the solution, check here. First, identifying the forces which can do the work. Step 1 is identifying the forces. Identifying the forces which can do work. Right? So let us identify. In this direction tension will act. Here also tension. Here also tension. Here is 2 into T. Achha. In the downward direction there is 40 G. Here in this direction N1 is there. Backward direction friction will act. Here 2G will act. Right? This angle is 90 degree. Work done by N1 0. This angle is also 90 degree. So work done by 4G is equal to 0. वर्क डन बाय टेंशन तो वैसे ही 0 है, करेक्ट. सो देयर आर टू फोर्सेस ओनली फॉर विच finite amount of work done will be there. One is this force, another is friction force. है ना? Correct. So you can write work done by friction plus work done by 2g is equal to change in kinetic energy of the system. ठीक है? So changing kinetic energy of the system in the sense final kinetic energy of the system minus initial kinetic energy of the system. Initial kinetic energy of the system is equal to 0 because it is released from the rest. They have mentioned already. So we can write work done by friction to half into 4 into V4 square plus half into 2 into V2 square. Let us call this as equation number 1. Is this okay? Yes, Varun, tell me.
Work done by friction is negative, no, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
When we
Sir,
write
and
the
how
value,
work done by tension is 0, sir?
it is an internal force.
Yes.
Yes, David, tell me.
All the internal forces should be 0, sir.
Yes, sir. Not forces are 0. Work done by internal forces are 0.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. So let's proceed. Now in this question we have two headache. One headache is that we have to get a relationship between the velocities as well as displacement. So for that purpose, I will take the diagram once again. So let us quickly go through the diagram once again.
Measure the volume of the liquid of 2 chemicals. To conduct activities requiring measurements of rise or fall in the liquid of it. To conduct the activities requiring measurement of rise or fall in the level of it. Microburette.
Correct. So let us check. Here is tension T. Here also T. Here also T. Here is 2T. This velocity is V4. This downward velocity is V2. So we can write T into V4 minus 2T into V2 is equal to 0. So V4 is equal to V2. V2 is said to be how much? V2 is said to be 6 meter per second. So we'll write 2 into 6 is equal to 12 meter per second. That is V4. Correct. Similarly, displacement of the 4 kg block is also equal to 2 into x2. How much x2 we have said? X2 is said to be 4 meter. So we'll write 2 into 4, that is equal to 8 meter. Right. So these two are very important piece of information we needed. The value of V4 and X4. All right. Now, what we have written? Work done by friction plus work done by gravity. Gravity means 2 kg block. So 2g is equal to half into 4 into V4 square plus half into 2 into V2 square. A value put kar half into 4 into V4 square. V4 square means 144. Right? Plus half into 2 into V2 square. V2 square means 36.
drop is the point not.
कितना आ रहा है ये?
Add like
288 plus of 36, that is equal to 324. Correct, no? Fine, right. So next, work done by this minus mu into 4 into 10 mg into displacement is how much? 8 meter. Okay, work done by the friction is negative. Acha, look at for this one, it is moving down, force is also acting in the same direction, so work done by 2g is positive, so plus 2 into 10 into displacement is how much? 4 is equal to 324.
Gaseous,
as a container for keeping and testing small quantities.
whenever we use the potassium
As a
permanganate,
container
oxygen gas,
and testing small quantities.
the oxygen gas is.
Okay.
As a container for keeping and testing small quantities. Keeping quantity of soap,
Gaseous
store we have test it and micro test tube flow, large test tube flow, test tube అంటే 20 ml. Micro test tube flow 1 ml 2 ml. 20 years apart, 30 years apart.
So what is coming?
To boil water
8320
over the microwave. Choose the burner.
is equal to
Water in the burner. Boil the
324 minus 80.
fast sugar put it. Fast sugar put it. Drop a lot of
1 minute रुक तो, just hold on for a second.
drop the made with plastic. Made of plastic and all things. Drop filler or filler. Used to transfer soft small and use filler.
Standard solutions. Standard solutions.
Glass. What is the glass?
Standard solution is
Glass. It used as a
concentration
used
is
to
known.
pour liquid on the filter paper.
Molarity, quantity is
Meaning,
known.
stirrer laga use చేస్తారు. Used to
ठीक है,
pour the liquid on
तो see from this case mu value is coming to be negative. Can you check? So this becomes an impossible case to happen.
ఈ ఫిల్టర్ పేపర్ మీద పైన రాడ్ ఈ రాడ్ మీద నుంచి
That means
స్లోగా లిక్విడ్ వేస్తే
the given situation will never be permitted. Please note it down. The given situation will never be permitted. That means whatever the data that they have given in the question, that it is found to have the velocity of 6 meter per second and it is moved down by 4 meter, these two data are not competent with the situation given in the question. So this question can come in multiple option correct, where they can ask you what are the possible values of displacement and velocity that the blocks can have. So from this way you have to check whether they are compatible with the data or not, correct? Because negative values of mu is 100% not feasible. Madan ji,
Sir, T dot V4 minus 2T V dot V2
constant
is
relation,
equal to
constant Newton's law में.
सर समझ में नहीं आया, बताओ.
न्यूटन्स लॉ में थे कि नहीं थे?
नहीं थे सर.
तो कैसे समझ में आएगा? ये टेंशन इंटू वेलोसिटी का जो सम होता है वो 0 होता है. तो 4 kg ब्लॉक पे क्या टेंशन लग रहा है? टी लग रहा है. वेलोसिटी भी उस तरफ है तो इसलिए पॉजिटिव साइन आया. 4 kg ब्लॉक का वेलोसिटी नीचे की तरफ है, टेंशन ऊपर की तरफ है, इसलिए माइनस साइन आया. उसका सम 0.
ओके सर.
Okay, चलो लेट्स मूव ऑन. This is example 3.
అందులో మనం లిక్విడ్ కానీ
Example 3 देखो.
పెట్టేసి కోల్డ్
Yogananda, tell me.
I have a doubt in kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy doubt.
Yes, sir. So kinetic energy will depend upon friends.
Huh?
Sir, kinetic energy will depend upon frame of reference.
Yes, it depends on frame of reference.
Okay.
Work is a dependent quantity of frame of reference, so as kinetic energy is also dependent quantity of frame of reference. Harshit,
Sir, in previous page, how you taken force are there?
eh?
The 4 meter is moving 2 kg or 4 kg, sir?
2 kg.
2 kg, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Chalo. So next problem, let us work out. See.
అంటే you can measure up to 1 degree, you can measure up to 0.1. 1 degree that's 2 degree. And 0.1 degree is
Then oil the government of the people.
measuring temperature. It's a thermometer used to measure the temperature. Measure the temperature. Used to measure the temperature.
So this is kept vertical. Okay, no? Okay, in the question it is written that the frame is held vertical. The frame is held vertical and there are two beads like this. Okay. All the surfaces are smooth. This surface is also smooth. This is also smooth. Okay. Acha. This bead is given as this is bead A and this is bead B. So the situation that is being shown in the diagram, this is 30 degree. Okay, and this is moving in this direction. Okay, fine. So it is given that at this instant the velocity of B is 2 meter per second, right? And it is also being given that after the system is released from rest, B has come down by 2 meter. Okay. In the question they are asking, find the velocity. This velocity is not given. Okay, no, nothing is given. Find the velocity of each block. Sorry, each bead. Each bead at the given instant. चलो ट्राई करो इसको थोड़ा. Everyone try it out.
Solution 42% liquid of water.
today.
Small,
For heating,
small, less
from exposing
shallow and
items to
pH. Suppose we have a solution. How to calculate the? We can apply the solution.
Shashi,
Sir, no mass of bead is given.
oh mass has to be given. Yes. This is 2m, this is m.
Thank you, sir.
Directly measured by this system. You are going to use in the laboratory. Aluminum block, activated from the strong receiver. That's very important. As a and aluminum circuit.
Chalo, everyone try this one. You can do it.
Not transfer the solid substances, they are harmful to the skin. Suppose everything has a property of solution. If you use it, it's harmful to the skin. That is for weakness. That's why we can use, we can transfer the solid substances by the forceps. By putting the solid edges, we can transfer. Because kind is the
बोल भाई
सर आप घर पे ही पढ़ाओ ना बैठ के.
क्या करूं? इंस्टीट्यूट का इंस्ट्रक्शन है.
अरे यार.
hold the shoe without use the handy or the shoe for electrodes and never.
So here first you have to identify the forces which can do the work. There is only one force which can do the work, that is the mg. This is pulling it down, otherwise there is no work done by any forces, right? So we'll write work done by mg is equal to change in kinetic energy for A plus B. So we'll write final kinetic energy for A plus B minus initial kinetic energy for A plus B. Initial kinetic energy is 0, right? So work done by mg, it is coming to be final kinetic energy of A plus B. What is the final kinetic energy? How can we write this? We will simply write half 2m into Va square plus of half m into Vv square. Correct? Acha. Work done by this mg is positive because this block is coming down. So force downward, displacement downward. So what is the work done? mg into, yes, देखिए बोला हुआ है, it's down by 2 meter. So mg into 2 is equal to a half cancelled mva square plus of m into vv square by 2. So you cancel the m factor, so we are getting 2 into g means 20 is equal to va square plus vb square by 2. Okay, this is equation number 1. Right now, fine. This is okay for everyone. Now look at here. So now you see, if I take this velocity as VA and this downward velocity as VB, this angle is 30 degree. We know velocity remains same along the rod, constant relation actually. ठीक है ना? So what is the component of this VA? This is VA cos 30 degree. What about this VB? This will be VV sin 30 degree. So what we can write? We will write VA cos 30 degree is equal to VB sin 30 degree. So VA is equal to VB tan 30 degree. So that comes to be VB by root 3. Let us say this is equation number 2.
Starch powder, monovagal starch powder, wheat powder, and rice powder, grains, whatever it may be. Starch
Yes, Sutik?
Sir, once you show the previous page.
Yeah.
So rice powder and wheat powder.
हाँ बोल.
Okay, sir.
सर वही पीछे वाला पेज
ठीक है. So now from 1 and 2, Professor.
सर वर्क डन बाय mg इज इक्वल टू काइनेटिक एनर्जी हम दोनों का क्यों ले रहे हैं, बस b का क्यों नहीं लेंगे?
तू साले परसों से सो रहा है बे. जिंदा जला दूंगा तुझे. क्या लिखा है? पढ़ बे. ये लाइन पढ़.
वर्क डन बाय
चिल्ला के पढ़.
work done by all the forces acting on the system.
फिर पढ़ शुरू से.
Work done by all the forces acting on a system is equal to the change in kinetic energy of system.
चमका कि नहीं?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So now from 1 and 2, what can I write? 20 is equal to the V square means so okay, so VB square by 3 plus VB square by 2, so it will become 5 VB square by 6. All right, so ये cancel हो गया. So VB is coming to be root under 24 meter per second. एक बार चेक कर ले दोस्त whether my values are correct or not. Then VA will become root under 8 meter per second. Please check the calculation and confirm me.
More than 1 micron. Micron. More than 1.
Calculation okay only, no? Hardik बोल.
Calculation is correct, sir.
Okay, right. चलो.
सर कोई रूम खाली नहीं है सर.
मिला नहीं है अभी. मिलेगा तो मैं चला जाऊंगा.
हाँ वही सर, बहुत ज्यादा आवाज आ रहा है. कुछ तो मार रहे किसको तो.
हाँ. So next we will go to example 4. Okay. So in example 4, what we are going to see that now this one I will leave up to you. You have to solve. There is a rod. This is the ground. हाँ बोल.
सर पिछला पेज सर.
रुक एक मिनट रुक. So one spring is kept like this. यहाँ पे एक ring है. The ring is connected with the spring which can move freely over the rod. This rod is also smooth. Okay. So this length is given to be L0. and this L0 is given to be natural length of the spring. Okay. And this angle is given to be 37 degrees. Okay. This is position X. This is position Y. So this question is given: when the ring is released from rest means from which position? From X. Find its velocity when it crosses point Y. Okay, chalo solve it. Solve this question. You have to solve this. All of you try on your own.
Two components are not mixing easily, not mixing forward. Binary equivalence mixture. In which dp size, mean particle size, is in between one will be matched to one is called particle size is in between.
So here the most interesting thing you will see that mg is acting in the downward direction and the ring is moving horizontally. So there will be no work done by mg. This is mg and the ring will move horizontally. This angle is 90 degree. So this clearly suggests that work done by mg is equal to 0. So there is only one work done. What is that? Work done by the spring. So work done by the spring is equal to change in kinetic energy of the ring. So changing kinetic energy of the ring in the sense we can write final kinetic energy of the ring minus initial kinetic energy of the ring. So final kinetic energy means kinetic energy at point Y minus kinetic energy at point X, which is happens to be 0. So now see, the spring is coming from elongated position to natural length, right? So this is very, very important. See, I'm writing here. So see, I'm writing here. The spring is coming from elongated position to natural length. So when it is coming from elongated position to natural length, we already know that work done by the spring will be positive. It is plus half kx square. That is the thing we need to apply over here. Okay, so if we apply this one, then we are going to get half kx square is equal to half m into v square. Half factor cancelled. So v is going to be root under of k by m into x. Now this x we have to calculate. Okay, no? Our challenge is to find out the value of x. How will you get this? See, now we will do it from here. This point O. So if you check the triangle OYX, we can write OY by OX is equal to cos of 37 degree, that is 4 by 5. So OX is coming to be 5 OY by 4. OY is the natural length, so that is 5 by 4 L naught. So OX is equal to 5 by 4 L naught. So elongation X is equal to OX minus OY. So that is 5 by 4 minus 1 of L naught. That comes to be L naught by 4. Then substitute in the previous equation. If it is equation number 1, then we can write from 1 V is equal to root under K by M into L naught by 4. So that is going to be your final answer. Shashi, tell me.
सर अगर ये न्यूमेरिक टाइप क्वेश्चन होता तो सर दे विल गिव द वैल्यू ऑफ के
हाँ yes, yes.
वी कैन नॉट कैलकुलेट के
नहीं ऐसे नहीं कर सकते.
ओके सर.
Previous page.
हाँ सर. सर 12th में जाने के बाद सर ये सब कैसे रिमेम्बर होगा सर?
कौन सा?
ये सब जो पढ़ाया हमने अभी.
17 साल का हो गया तू, तेरा नाम अभी तक कैसे याद है?
सर वो नहीं सर पूरा.
दोपहर को खाना खाना है, रात को खाना खाना है, कैसे याद है? क्योंकि वो हैबिट बन गया है, तो स्टडी को भी हैबिट बनाना पड़ेगा, तब जाके याद होगा.
सर रिवीजन के लिए तो टाइम मिलता नहीं सर. अब पिछला वाला तो फिर वो कैसे याद रहेगा? मतलब काइनेमेटिक्स एनालिसिस.
अभी बता, अभी तू घर में है, ठीक है? तो अभी घर में है तो तुम लोग का कितना क्लासेस हो रहा है बताओ? 9 से 12 क्लास हो रहा है 3 घंटे, और आफ्टरनून को मुश्किल से 2.5 घंटे. ठीक है, 2.5 घंटे भी नहीं होता है, चलो वो 3.5 घंटे का क्लासेस है. बाकी टाइम पे तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो वो मुझे भी पता है, तुम लोगों को भी पता है. तो कैसे होगा बताओ? अगर इस टाइम पे, मैं शुरू में क्या बताया था, व्हाट आई टोल्ड इन द बिगिनिंग, कि ऑलवेज रिमेंबर और ऑलवेज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू विल बिलीव दैट एज इफ यू आर इन द कैंपस. तो अगर तुम लोग कैंपस में होते तो तुम लोगों का मॉर्निंग 6 o'clock से शाम को 4 बजे तक, या फिर मॉर्निंग 8 o'clock से शाम को 5:30 बजे तक क्लासेस चलता, उसके बाद स्टडी आवर मिलता. तो दिन में कुल मिला के 14 घंटे के आसपास टाइम बैठता है. आर यू गिविंग दैट 14 hours टाइम टू योर सेल्फ? अगर नहीं बन रहा है तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. थिंक प्रैक्टिकली कुछ कर. रत्ना
सर थोड़ा न्यूज़ आया है कि अक्टूबर फर्स्ट वीक में खुलेगा क्लास.
भगवान जाने भाई, वो मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है यार, कितने दिन चल रहा है, चलने दी.
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है, ओके चलो.
सर पर ऐसे 3 सब्जेक्ट में तो कम, मतलब अब जो अपने पहले ऑप्टिक्स वाला पढ़ाया था वो तो नहीं मतलब कर सकते ना?
क्यों नहीं कर सकते?
सर कैसे होगा सर? ये वीक का सिलेबस देखें या पिछला मतलब पहले वाला देखें सर?
मैं तो वही बोला ना तुझे, तू जो बात कर रहा है वो कितने आवर्स की बेसिस पे बात कर रहा है? अभी तूने जो क्लास में सुन रहा है 5.5 घंटे या 6 घंटे के हिसाब से बात कर रहा है। तू उस 6 घंटे को बढ़ा के दिन में 14 घंटे कर दे, देख तेरे पास कैसे टाइम नहीं होता है। समझ गया बात को? इट इज अनसी देर इज आई मीन देर इज अ वेरी फेमस डायलॉग बाय लायनल मेसी। तो मेसी को एक बार पूछा था कि आप इतना परफेक्शन कैसे लाते हो, कहाँ से टाइम मिलता है आपको? तो मेसी गेव अ very funny relevance. He said, "I do not have time is equivalent to dog ate my homework." मतलब कोई बच्चा स्कूल में गया, उसको होमवर्क दिया था टीचर ने बोला तुम्हारा होमवर्क कहाँ है? बोला मेरा घर में जो पालतू कुत्ता है ना उसने खा गया। So I don't have time is equivalent to dog ate my homework. टाइम बहुत है भाई हम लोगों के पास। It's all about how you are utilizing that time to get the maximum benefit out of it. ठीक है, टाइम बढ़ाओ यार। तुम लोग अभी घर में हो, तुम लोगों के पास बहुत टाइम है, मौका है। मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि जस्ट बिहेव लाइक अ कैंपस 14-16 आवर्स, कम से कम 10 घंटा तो दे ही सकते हो। 10 आवर्स यू शुड गिव, ठीक है ना? एंड दैट इज द थिंग फॉर द लास्ट 1.5 month आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक यू पीपल अंडरस्टैंड कि बाय दैट टाइम तुम लोग कैंपस में आओगे, यू पीपल विल बी पोटेंशियली एंटरिंग इनटू द सेकंड ईयर प्रोग्राम। कि जैसे अभी हम लोग का वर्क फॉर एनर्जी स्टार्ट हो गया ना, इसके बाद सिलेबस दौड़ेगा बस, क्योंकि मेजॉरिटी जो टफ सेगमेंट ऑफ मैकेनिक्स था वो धीरे धीरे ओवरकम हो रहा है। अगले 1 महीने में ये मैकेनिक्स का मेजॉरिटी पोर्शन हो जाएगा, उसके बाद तो सिलेबस भागेगा। तो अगर तुम लोग भी नहीं भागोगे तो पीछे पड़ जाओगे बस।
ठीक है सर,
समझे?
थैंक यू।
चलो ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट लेट अस सी अनदर example 5. So next example 5. So now let us see here a case is given, like suppose it's an inclined surface, right? This angle is given to be theta, or this surface is said to be a rough surface. It's a rough surface. Over this rough surface, there is a spring which is kept, and here a block is attached. Of mass m. The spring is a spring constant k. तो आपको पूछा गया, if the system is released from rest, then find the maximum extension of the spring. Just try a little bit. All of you tried. With the thing, forces are doing the work. देखो, in this direction mg sin theta is acting, opposite direction friction is acting, and spring force is also acting, correct? So here work done by the friction plus work done by gravity plus work done by spring force is equal to change in kinetic energy of the block. That means final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Remember, when it is released from rest, initial kinetic energy is 0. At the maximum extension also it will come to rest, so that is also equal to 0. So this is 0 ban gaya ye. I hope you are understanding. Initially when it is released from rest, initial kinetic energy is 0. Finally it will come to rest, so that is also 0. अभी देखिए यहाँ पे, try to understand. Work done by the friction is negative because displacement and force is opposite. So I will write minus mu mg cos theta into x. Clarity आया? Right? Spring is moving from natural length to elongated position, so work done by the spring is also negative. minus half kx square, right? Work done by the gravity is positive because force is acting downward along the plane and body is also moving downward along the plane. So plus mg sin theta into x, that is equal to 0. ठीक है ना? Okay, x को उड़ा दो. So what you are getting actually? You are getting mu mg cos theta plus half kx is equal to mg sin theta. ठीक है ना दोस्त? तो x max equal to how much you got? mg sin theta minus mu mg cos theta divided by k, 2 इधर आ जाएगा. This is the final answer. Correct, no? So if you know how to apply the work energy theorem properly, you can do wonders. First, you have to identify ki what are the forces acting on it, and the work done by them is positive or negative. ठीक है दोस्त? Okay now? Fine.